What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Jermaine Gaines again, coming to you with another video. And like I was saying last week, I'm gonna be showing you all step by step. I don't care if it's step 1 through 100, however many steps it takes for you to repair your credit. I'm here to show you step by step. Now, with that being said, last week video, you can go back and watch it if you all have not watched that video. I'm showing you all how you're supposed to go on SageStream and LexisNexis website to freeze your files. That's the first step. Go to LexisNexis and SageStream website to freeze your files. And the reason we're doing that is because the first thing we're going to be doing is removing all variations of your name, all old addresses, all social security numbers, variations of social security numbers, all old employers. We'll be moving this information first. So that's the first thing you want to do. Secondly, what you want to do is you want to go to CreditCheckTotal.com. I'll have the link in the description below. CreditCheckTotal.com and get a 7-day trial for $1. You can download all 3 of your bureaus. But I always tell people, make sure you keep your credit monitoring service because number one, you always want to keep up with your credit. Make sure things are not being added when they're not supposed to be. You get notifications when dispute is being updated. And you just always need credit monitoring service. So I always tell people to keep that. It's about $16 a month, which is not high, and it's worth it. Also, these are FICO scores, actual FICO scores. So after you do that, you want to get all 3 credit reports, download them, print them out, go through all name variations, all social security number variations, all old addresses, all old phone numbers, all old employers. You want to get rid of all this information, highlight it, whether it be, also you want to highlight your repossessions, your bankruptcies, your inquiries you want off your credit, your late payments, whatever you want off your credit, highlight it. Go through all your credit reports and highlight all this information because I'm going to be sharing with you all every template on how to remove this information. So that's what you want to do next. And then after that, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing you all the Transunion, Equifax, Experian address, phone number, because what you need to do is you need to call all 3 of these bureaus and get all dispute remarks removed off your credit. You or someone in your past could have been trying to repair your credit, and they have dispute remarks on your credit. So you want all these removed first off your credit report before you even send off your first letter. And last but not least, after all these steps are done first, I'm gonna be putting a link below that's gonna give you your first template on how to remove your name variations, your old employer, your social security number variations, your old phone numbers. I'm gonna be giving you that first template in the description below. But I always tell people, when you mail these off to the credit bureaus, make sure you mail it off certified mail because they only have 30 days to respond. And if they don't respond in 30 days, once they receive your information, that's when your countdown begins. If they do not respond in 30 days, then there are other actions you can take that I can share with you in later videos if they don't respond in the proper time. So after you do all that, and then you just wait for the 30 days. But while we doing that, I'll be showing you tips on how to raise your credit score. Also, the next steps you need to take, what letters you need to send out next. Like I said, it's going to be step by step showing you exactly what to do to repair your credit. But if you like the information I'm sharing, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, also hit the notification button so you cannot miss none of these valuable information that I'll be sharing with you on a weekly basis. That's right, I'll be showing different things, sharing different things with you and showing you different things on a weekly basis. So with that being said, hey, I'll be seeing you soon. I'm super excited to get people credit fixed starting in 2021. God bless, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.